Wait, why are you recording?
It's part of it. We're not listening to it did not soak into my hands.
Where do you want these papers?
That can go up in the front, and then we just need to make sure that everybody's got markers and stuff. Should I sit here? Whoa, it's recording!
Hey, boys and girls.
They're literally gonna claw around us.
Okay.
Other classes have started, it's like test time.
I didn't say that. Some, it was Maddie.
Alright. Okay, come on in, Bellward.
My pants.
Bellward, please. Hello. Good day. Oh, Bellward.
Somewhere.
Bellward. Quiet, Bellward,
I want to go
please.
big mom. I
Quiet,
heard a
Bellward.
crunch.
Quiet, Bellward.
They didn't ring the bell.
Hello.
Huh?
Phone's right there.
Recording? Why? You gotta buy face earrings. During fifth period, but Dr. Bus wasn't here at 6 p.m., so I had to go to the bathroom.
Rate myself.
Alright.
Do I do the snap?
Alright, tease up real quick. So all we're doing here, I was gonna do a number talk on it, but I was running out of time in all the other classes. So all I want you to do, that's all I want you to do. Okay? Yes, that might seem really easy. If you guys can give me an alternate way to do it, show a different than the standard algorithm, I would greatly appreciate that. If not, this is just your expectation. When you are done with your bell work, everybody has a paper. I want you to give yourself a rating. So just the top half of the paper is right now, how confident do you feel about your ability to interpret slope? And how do you feel about your ability to substitute values in an equation? Okay, so 1 through 4, 1 being not so much, 4 being you're really confident. Okay? Okay, we forgot to share.
Rate myself. Miss Goldson.
Right.
How confident?
Roman.
Circle the numbers or the.
Don't give me yellow. Alright. People were doing that and then they were reading it. But I don't guess what? Wait, I just
I know what it is. For me, I'm leaving early. And then I want to be here. And since my mom isn't here, my dad is more lenient. So he'll pick me
Now
up.
we have 100.
Well, my mom's
That was a joke, that was a joke, that was a joke. We're just
It's 1 and 1.
I feel like it made me miss their
You can see me perfectly, bro. Is this right? I will. You're a professor? For what?
Wait, have you already got it?
Observing. So she's just observing. She'll probably laugh at me. Alright, sorry. Is this right? Why is it?
Right. That was a joke.
I'm so glad they can't see me. I'm like right out of it.
I did it. Red. I did it, Madison.
Sorry. Reports are here.
One of these slides. Just kidding. I don't know if she does. She might because of that main character. Oh, her was texting me, like fighting. She was texting me while I was baking, and she was like, I was being super rude, and she was like, how she should just.
Miss Bender, me and wait, I gotta get up for this.
They were beefing a while ago. And so we oh yes, I was like, wait. My face was I'm just gonna wait till it's soft.
Bella. I'm so glad I can't see you. It's really out of you.
What? Add another one to my like what's the
Alright, guys, tease up, please. You guys should have gotten a ticket if you got your bell work correct. It should be 1/2. Did anyone have any other way to show it?
Oh, I simplified the 3 and the 3, cross-simplified, and the 2 and the 4, and I got 1/2 times 1/1, which equals 1/2.
Okay, so you can simplify before you multiply, right? That's a really good method. Yes?
You just times the 3 by 2 and the 4 by 2.
Going straight across, yeah, and then you have to simplify. Very good. So there is one other way. Well, more, but here was one with a picture, right? So we've got 4. Can we shade in 3/4 of that?
Yeah.
And then could we shade in 2/3 of that? And then we get 1/2. Okay. So, but you guys are really good, and that simplifying before you multiply is a really good strategy. All right. Thank you. All right. So, what you should have noticed is that this is the same. So there's 2 different sections. You're gonna fill the bottom part out, so you should have already filled out the top part. You're gonna fill the bottom part out after our unfair game. Okay. I hate the unfair game. It's so unfair. All right. So,
Oh, wow.
for those of you who have not played it before, I will tell you as we go along how to play that unfair game. Okay? Keep your paper until the end of class. When we're done with the game, you're going to put in if you feel a little bit more confident or not. I have a question for you. Do you think that predicting the weather was pretty important for today?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So there was a lot that went into that prediction. Okay. So weather forecasters use scatter plots and data, just like we've been using, to make these predictions. Can you guys think of another way in real life that you would need to make predictions? Voting, voter predictions, the polls. I like it. They do a lot of stuff there. What else? Yes, sir.
Gambling, because like you have to predict like who wins or loses.
And that's a really good example because we're kind of gambling with our unfair game, right? Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Gambling addiction at 7.
I want to be a gambling.
No, we're gonna stay here and gamble.
Me and my brother, like on my family plays this game at the Super Bowl. It's like you try to guess at what time, what player is gonna like play a play.
Oh.
So like I always say like at like 25 seconds, this person is gonna do this thing, or like it's always like each quarter. So I think that's
Okay,
kind of
but you need that data to be able to make those predictions, right? Okay, yeah.
Last Super Bowl, me and some of our friends, we did for every quarter what the score would be. I bet over $200 on all this stuff.
Did you have any frame of reference for that prediction? Did you make something wild and say that the score was going to be 107? No, you had to use prior data. So you used interpolation, right?
I think you should go help the weather because
I know it melted. It's very sad. Okay.
We're
All right. So that is what our unfair game is about. We're going to use equations of the line of fit to predict values. Okay? So we're just going to be substituting and making those predictions based on what we know. All right? So you'll know that you're successful when you can substitute the given inputs to compute the outputs, and you can explain what the predictions imply. Okay, so what do those predictions mean? So what that means is that you're going to be interpreting the slope. Okay, do you guys agree that this is slope?
Yes.
Yep, it's that change in y over the change in x. So when you're doing your questions, you are going to be telling me what x and y is, substituting for the values that are on your paper, and you're also going to interpret the slope. So we have 8 questions. No, I'm lying. We have 5 questions. But there are those 4 parts to every question. Okay? 4 parts to every question. Huh?
That clock says 1:45. So many people
The test scores from Friday, I will give you those tomorrow and give you your rewards. And we'll do that tomorrow. We don't quite have enough time to do that today, okay? And anybody that missed the test will.
Can you explain what this unfair thing is?
Yes.
It's on three.
Yes. All right. So we are going to have groups. We're going to have group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have 6 groups. You guys should have letters on your desks. You are A, B, C, or D. A, B, C, or D. But then there's interpret slope. What does slope mean? I'll ask you. What does slope mean in this instance? All right. So, as a team, you guys are competing as a team, Rowan. You are going to answer these questions and you are randomly being chosen. So you're gonna have to be A, B, and C, D. If you only have 3 people, somebody's gonna have to double up, so decide that now before we spin an hour by.
Whoa.
Okay, are you gonna be A, C? Okay.
Okay, substitution is putting in one thing for another. Not real sure on that. So you had.
Okay. Did you guys decide A, B, C, D? So you should all have, do you guys have my?
Okay.
You guys,
These are red, but we don't know what it is, right? Okay, later on, it's like D.
yeah, together.
10. So if D equals 10.
So what does X and
equals
Y
10, so
mean?
now there it is.
Substitute your values. What is the slope? Interpret the
The
slope.
substitution is.
Gonna crash
And
out.
you can have
All the things on number 1. Do all the things.
Oh, I found it. See it. Alright, so just think about my grades. I found it. Which my grades? So do number 1. Okay. You're A.
Alright, so work together, you guys should all be talking about it. We don't know who is gonna be called, so you wanna make sure everybody has their name.
So the first one for the.
1 X and
Plus 3.
plus 3.
What is like slope?
3 is 3.
Point, no, there's a point, there's a point.
Not is 14, right? Okay, so he gets 14. Oh, why?
I just saved your life.
No.
Oh, here goes
And then the next one, X. Oh, no, this one was
I
9.
literally said that, but it's
I don't like 14 plus 14 is 20.
We had a bunch of different comparisons.
You add that.
yeah, I got 14 too.
How many points will be scored if the team catches?
I don't know.
10 hours?
5.
Wait, sorry.
Yeah.
Bye, Josie. Yeah.
Thank you.
His was actually
And what does it represent?
We know. What does it say?
Yes, so there's 4 questions.
How many would we need?
Hey, say it.
So we
What was one
so
with the Y with each
what X, Y.
Okay.
Then,
Right, X.
Wait, okay, so what are we doing?
X equals 5. Is it doing
Wait,
plus 3?
So why are we doing?
That's the problem. So 4 is heavy. 1 is 1.1. Right.
you're thinking you have
Plus 5. Right. Because I know plus 3.
Y equals 4.
What is something is interpreted as Y, like our no. Okay.
B.
and what, so
Yeah.
what does it mean? So in this case,
So we're not, it's not hours, it's what, so.
You didn't do
Right, so points per.
How do you know? Where's your work?
Okay, so
Because you're gonna have to halfway start over to figure out, how many points. Figure out points.
And if I don't want to do that, then I take heat wrap and wrap myself as tiny as I can, so that way I can keep it all 4 hours on end and then actually, or I just leave it.
Alright,
The rate.
okay, tease up real quick. I'm gonna help you out with this first one. Okay? So what I'm looking for when I say what is X, what is Y, help me out, Kaden.
Oh, X is points per an hour or rate, and Y is score.
X was points,
Total score
Or-
for Y.
X was hours, right?
Yeah, points per hour
Hours. And Y,
is total score.
score.
Wait,
Practice hours, right?
wait, was it practice or points?
Practice hours. So that's what I'm looking for. X is practice hours. Y is total score. Okay? What does the slope mean in this equation? If slope is 1.1, we can also write it like this, and we know that that's y over x. Yes? So what does slope mean in this equation?
For every hour, the team scores 1.1 points.
Yeah, 1.1 points for every hour of practice. Okay? So that's what I'm looking for when I'm asking those things. All right. Let's see who's going to answer.
Why are you recording me? This is, I don't like this, I don't like this. It's like facing at me, I don't like it. Here, you can face it towards me, Miss Bender, I don't mind, it's okay. Abby, give me soft shots. It's not done. I just got like pieces.
Wait, yeah, it was A.
All right. D's. D's need to be ready to answer. So talk with your team. Make sure you've got the answer. This is your point.
I have a 6% chance. I did it for the memes, guys. I regret my choice, bro.
All right. Everybody's ready?
I did it for the memes. Did it for the memes. He said he's gonna be C.
Team 4. Okay. The question is, how many points will be scored if the team practices for 10 hours? 14 points. Winner, winner. Are you going to keep or give?
Wait, how do you?
Oh, sorry. In this bucket, there's an equal amount of negative points and positive points. Right now, there is 50-50 chance. You have a 50-50 chance of getting positive or negative. So you can choose to keep the points, and it goes to you, or you can choose to give them away.
And can we do something?
Wait, I don't care.
Somebody could give you points.
Oh, aren't there also
Keep. Keep. Oh!
Negative.
Winner, winner. They got negative 2 points.
Oh, I get it.
Wait, so isn't it whoever hits the most, the less points?
Grab it. Stop.
That's a better chance of winning.
Wait, doesn't it? I mean,
Guys, I think we can win if you don't answer any questions.
No, but someone could notice that and give you points. Could be negative or positive. I think I ended up having 2 tables answer everything, but everybody had points. Because you could keep or give. Right? All right, the next one. Be ready. C's. C's, be ready to answer.
For number 2?
No, this is still the same one.
Oh!
I'm so flip. Okay. How many points?
11.
Number 2.
2.
Wait, is that us?
That's Okay. The question is, how many hours of practice are needed to score 25 points? AJ, we working together? You guys were supposed to get an answer together.
Yeah.
Because I thought we were moving on to the next one.
No. Don't erase your point.
Oh, we're not moving on to the next one?
We're still on number 1.
Oh my god. I can't believe you.
All right, work it out real quick. Work it out.
Can we start a race?
I just have one of these to answer in case it comes to you.
Because you said race.
There we go.
I didn't
Oh, we have the,
Yeah.
All right, what'd you get? How many hours?
2.3.
Yeah, we
Don't get negative.
All right.
Technically, we're in first place.
What is that noise?
T5.
Are we 20?
20. Very good.
Are you getting
Keep her good.
25. I said yes. It's a P. Okay.
Are you sure?
Oh.
I'm writing the number.
They got one.
Here's the eraser. Are we just
I'm the number so we can all remember.
keep 0 or? We're testing.
All right. The next question is interpret slope. What does the slope 1.1 mean in this equation? What does the slope 1.1 mean in this equation? A's, be ready.
Points per hour. Like this hour. Per hour. Points per hour. God, it's not as 5 again.
This is so unfair.
Every time.
This is so unfair.
Okay, so what does the slope mean in this equation? What slope mean in this equation, you guys?
I'm not.
Huh? Hey, what'd she say? I didn't hear. Yes, 1.1 points scored per hour. Oregon. Okay, who are you gonna give it to? Us.
So you give it to
We're
us.
gonna eat it.
I say you give it to us.
Wait, what do we want?
Well, you can get negative points or positive.
I think you should give it to us.
Give it to us.
Can we pick it then?
Give it to tables.
Can I pick it?
No, they pick it.
Okay, pick it if you want it.
You Samantha?
Oh.
I don't even know if you realize
Oh my god!
what?
Oh my god.
Team 5 gave negative 1.26.
Yeah, dear.
You
watched it.
So,
No, it's.
Why did everyone?
No, I just like drip a bunch of water.
All
right.
Water.
Those same things for number 2. All of that information, don't erase. Now you can erase the number 1 when we're going to number 2. Okay?
Oh, why'd you kill my guy?
X, Y equals what?
Oh, you killed him.
Wait, do you never
No more votes.
That's wrong. That's wrong. I need number 2.
I need you guys to focus.
Okay. That we're not.
You guys should be talking. Oh, I will be together. It's a. What is the total cost if 50 miles are driven?
And then I just put it.
Okay.
Yeah, I do. I like to know that. What's which one is 50? 66?
Okay, I would guess this, okay, so wait, so is that the question that we're on?
So that's just 55 out of that, 5 plus Y plus that.
So first tell me, what is X, what is Y?
You're stuck with me for where were they gonna move you? It's hard.
Oh wait, that was even
You asked for. And then you're like, no. Because you've already switching my stuff. Why would you 50 on less? And I found out that she had but why would she have to have a year?
Y is, Y starts 63.
Alright, Lee, so there's 2 answers, you need to figure out what goes where. Think about why I'm asking you to define X and Y before you do these equations.
Oh wait, no, it's not that.
What is X, what is Y, where do they go?
I know, that's what I did.
You're supposed to find the Y next, right?
Okay, so first you need to tell me what
Y is X is 57.
Wait, so the bottom number is inside.
So, but now, it's not these words. So you found the value based on input, so
X is.
Can we get you guys to figure out?
7 miles or 5 miles.
Excuse me?
X miles.
Okay, do you want to get this? It's fine, I'll find another option for
That's what I want. I want X miles driven.
Ow. Little late, Sherlock.
This Benedict, can I go to the bathroom? Make sure you send out.
I will come back.
It's all the answers. This is one of the answers, this is another one of the answers, and then there's another answer, and then there's another answer. Now, what's 50 divided by 7.7?
I got 40.
Okay, and then talk about it.
$50 not to figure out what the miles cost. So you fill in 50 for time and then 50
Okay, let's see if we can see.
So $1,500 $118.
Okay.
50 miles. Wait, what if they want to
And then what do we do from this point?
So now you solve for X. So you gotta. So like questions, it can help you answer. gotta get rid of clean.
And how do you know you're successful?
Well, she said to make it your gut feeling correct.
So it wouldn't, but you're gonna wait and hear what the answer is, and does that verify it? But otherwise, you see in your gut that you're doing it right.
Yeah, because I know how to do that sometimes.
Then you'll recognize that again. Like how you did it in the first question, is that helping you to do it again in the second question?
Okay, now what is the second one? How many miles
How do you interpret slope? What is the 0.75? So basically, thank you, our team, so they all know that.
Name is Bender.
Oh, we're being recorded. Hi, camera.
It's
Hi, camera. We're being recorded. There's a camera. Nope, the camera is being recorded.
Yeah, see you, buddy.
Hello. I know you're recording. Where's my hand?
I want to throw.
Where's my hand?
I'm just looking at the top.
You collected flags. Your hands are man.
So, I guess you. Down the middle?
Alright, yeah, keep going.
Because we're being recorded.
I wish you could see
We're being recorded.
Alright, should I do it?
Yeah.
Okay, G's. Alright, G's up. Alright, D's, you need to be ready to answer. What is X and Y? What do they represent?
It's okay, I don't know. Or we Alright. Six. That's you,
Alright. Okay, guys, D's up again, please. Who's the D? Alright, the question is, what does X and Y represent? What is X? X. Miles or cost?
X, Y is the cost. Wait, what is X? Yeah, Y is the cost in dollars. And X is miles driven.
Miles.
Okay.
Good job. Keep it good, keep it good.
No, I want to pull it and then I'll
And then we can decide.
Keep it good, keep it good.
I see what this is answer. Y'all repeat.
I don't feel like I
You
want
already decided the keys.
What happened?
Well, they did.
Did I get? Yeah.
Alright.
I wasn't paying attention.
Everything's been a negative so far. You sure you
No, they had positives. Alright.
Are you sure you put positives in there? There's two positives.
Come
Come on.
Don't yes you.
Hey! Hey, be ready!
Other side.
The question is, what is the total cost if 50 miles are driven?
Oh, wait, I'm being recorded.
Thank you. You guys, the answer was given $57.50. It was given in a very good way because it's about cost and it was given in dollars. So good job. Keep or good?
It's snowing. Sounds like my dog right now.
Being at school out still is like
I lived in Blacksburg for 7 years of my life. I
Okay, the next question.
I can't see their point.
Wait, question 3.
That's, they have 0, they have 0.
Did they give us something? No, they gave us something. They gave us something?
All right,
They gave us 2.
the question is, how do you interpret this slope? How do you interpret this
Is this still the same
slope?
question?
This is still number 2. How do you interpret this slope?
Where do you feel now?
A's again! Okay, talk to your team and show me the answers.
No one likes how you get it.
Oh, and the X
Like, so you can have it.
Why is there so He's been like,
He's writing on my desk.
I don't know if I want to do this.
oh my gosh, whatever you got for
We're good, we're good. Yeah, I can see my head.
But it's the unfair.
No, I
It's the unfair advantage for them Wrong side, Owen.
You start distributing coins.
That's not even fully sure. I don't. Other side.
Don't do anything else.
Thank you. Did you guys hear that? It means it costs 75 cents per mile. That's how we interpret the slope, right? That's how we're making sense of those predictions. All right, next one. All those things. I need X and Y. I need you to interpret slope and make those. Oh, your point. Sorry.
But it's unfair.
It's unfair. No points for you.
It's unfair, no one
Wait, you should give it to us.
Yeah, give it to us.
Okay, buddy. No, give it to us. We don't always screwing up.
Do you want less points than we already have?
I'll just say. What was it?
Body buster.
There we go.
Wait, did they give us
Oh
one?
my
Now we got -1.
All right. Number 3. Number 3. You need to tell me, is it temperature or days? X, Y, temperature or days?
Answer all the names.
Wait, we didn't do the last one.
Yeah, how do you answer?
Oh, we're done.
Of course.
Lowercase x. What's that?
Oh, Miss Winder.
What?
If we know you.
We saw the same question.
But in case you
Miss Bender, are we still on? Are we still on the same question?
We are doing a new question.
Yeah, number 3.
Number 3, all the things.
It's temperature prediction. No.
Yes, temperature reading, X, Y, temperature
Oh,
reading.
really?
I just picked temperature.
So we wanna know, what's the temperature after so many days?
Wait, how many days?
So you don't even have anything. What's the temperature after 15 days?
No, it's an apple. No, it's an apple.
Days.
Okay, just get the fact that the temperature is
Okay, so X is number of.
So minus
Y
2 is 15 days. Go over that again?
Oh, that's fire. I thought you were writing cursing.
I'm diddly, I'm shut.
Okay, y equals minus
So this is standard.
2x plus 8.
Okay, it's right here.
Actually, I don't. Mine's important.
O one is.
That's why I don't bring one. I did one, third one.
Hey, Jessica.
Kylie.
So on each day, it will be.
I'm doing 50.
No, I need something crackers.
So first picture we do 50.
You want her to get black mint water? So I offer
So
her.
the first thing is, the number of days, right? What's the temperature?
So, are they?
There we go. Every thousand right there. On each day, let's do.
No, you have to make it.
I'll try to get fish.
Oh, wait, what am I supposed to do?
15 days, what's the temperature?
Do you have any other
15 days.
Only like these butter crackers. I eat peanut butter. That's all I have.
And we can have.
Oh, no, we got the green. So now you can.
Alright, strike out the numbers, you gotta copy.
No, I'm just going to ask tax.
I don't see my marble levels that much, and I think that's what he's really
Okay, guys, No, you're right. No. I was just asking.
Why also calculator, but not one.
Can I ask?
How come your paper is over here?
I'm getting ready tomorrow. It's gonna be like a successful Tell them tomorrow. No, I need to ask.
I feel like
I actually do.
Wow.
Big brain is a computer.
No, I got sticky feet all over my leg. That's it.
I can't.
When he was getting recorded, and I'm like, it's gonna be
Hi, Deborah. Oh, yeah, to get up and like do the dance for Blinding Lights.
It feels so weird. Do it. Just set them on my legs and I'll like go behind your chair. I am sitting further.
God does have the deep dance now.
I have a very high area for my top and it's already
Bro, honestly, I would like more terrifying guns. I made
I love you as a friend.
Bees, be ready. Bees.
That's for wrestling.
Michael. Okay.
He's going to wait.
All right.
What? Huh?
Did you say what?
All right, let's bring it back. Okay, the question is, what is X, what is Y? What is X, what is Y?
It's fine.
Yes! Okay, let's spin it again. What?
No, that's
not fair.
It's almost like
Yes.
Why is temperature and X?
No, I got it.
Get your frustrated off my knees.
What?
Okay. All right, guys, volume.
Wait.
I heard memes like Lucy's calculators.
Give me back my shoes. What the fuck? Get me my shoes.
Alright, bees again! Derek is voting for absolute value to be our winner.
What?
The highest absolute value to be our winner.
Yeah.
Okay, bees,
Give me your negatives.
you are going to answer.
What should be number one again?
What?
I tried an earbud underneath our table.
What?
Oh, I'll take that earplug.
Shush.
Boy, that ain't no AirPod.
It's an earbud.
What will the temperature be on the 15th day of the month? What will the temperature be on the 15th day of the month?
It is.
My shoe got shot. Here you go, Miss Thunder. Are we touching it like it's literally full of germs, just like this?
Okay,
Who
50 degrees. Keep floor pass.
Oh, you should like
Yo, you should give it to her, please.
I'm cutting. You know who like
Shut up.
Oh yeah. No, look. I'm not done. I'm not done writing it. I love.
Okay, you're finally up. Alright. A's. Hey.
paper back.
The question is,
What's on?
the question is,
What's on?
on which day will the temperature reach 50 degrees? On which day will the temperature reach 50 degrees?
Wait, can I erase the last
Every day.
question?
This is still the same, the temperature question.
Yeah.
He wants
One again.
Did you say C's or me?
I just.
A.
Okay, now
A.
Okay, the 15th day.
In first grade, I used to like never do.
You used to go back.
This is it now.
So
Okay,
There's no batteries.
the last question for this one is, how do you interpret the slope?
And what number?
How do you interpret the slope?
What letter?
This is for temperature prediction, number 3. How do you interpret the slope?
Wait a second. What's the slope?
Yes!
Flipping me.
A's! All the answer A's. Ready? Okay. What does this slope mean?
Slope is the temperature according to the days, right?
Okay, so what happens to the temperature every day?
It
How much?
By two.
Hey, it goes down 2 degrees every day. Down 2 degrees every day. Keep her good. Keep her good.
Give. Literally do not have a. No, we can't. Hold on, did we get 2? No, I was outvoted, guys. I was outvoted. Did we get 2 points?
Yes! We're out. He was outvoted.
Okay,
We're in first place. We're out.
I need everyone to do number 4. All the things for number 4. Okay, Michaela.
Ratings is what? Why is it ratings?
Wait.
Oh, it is? Oh, the
Red corner.
And it'd be, well, I am wrong.
Why is
Alright, all the things. Earnings from sales. Which one's dollars, which one's products?
Why is what?
And then the next one is third.
Products and dollars. Earnings and products, earnings and products.
Are you gonna spin for each table?
No, you guys are doing all the things.
Wait, such a vibe. You're such a vibe, Miss Bender.
Yeah.
A good vibe. You're such a good vibe, Miss Bender. You're my favorite teacher. You're my favorite teacher. I did.
No, actually, it is.
I think so. Mine has the circular filled in. The circular filled in?
Anything is
Circular filled in.
Why the flip is cute? Is there more? Oh, there's not.
Actually, you raised the
So we wanna know how many houses.
That's about it.
I know, but that's easy.
That's disgusting. That's disgusting. No, it's not. Then you're always female. The one why do you respond? Because he would you don't even have to check your emails. You can always block it. Yeah. Not know. You're talking about her bed sitting on a
Here's your equation.
Watch her saying no. Dad? She's saying no. She's so right. Actually. She's telling me because she's on really good terms. Tell Lewis that you love him. No, I didn't. Tell me your crush.
No, that's being recorded, right? You know, this is recorded.
Listen, meaning that is a joke.
Do something stupid.
That's a color. I'm a gay guy.
What?
She got
Well, why'd you say no?
I haven't eaten either of y'all. Michael, I'm gay for you.
What?
I love how
Okay, I heard that one. I heard that one.
I love how Michael seems like thinking everything. I feel like
No, yeah.
Alright!
Michael, turn
That's
around.
kind of odd.
Turn around, Michael. Michael, turn around.
That's you guys.
C!
Michael, turn around.
C!
Okay,
Oh, flip. I did it for the memes, guys. It's a joke. But he was like, I might do it. I was just did it for the memes. How's that going now? Michael, you should do all of the lectures.
Alright. Guys, can you please be quiet? Alright. C's are going to answer. X1.
Pass me.
6. Oh, what you got?
You say it really
No.
Michael's
What does X represent in words, and what does Y represent in words?
X.
17.
X is the product. Wait, no. Yeah, X is the product sold.
12 minutes.
X is product sold.
And Y is dollars.
That's yellow flag.
Money earned,
Yeah, dollars.
or whatever. Okay. Good job. Keep or give?
Give it to us.
It's not
Number 3, give the 4.
Wait, four. What happened to four?
Give the 4 so that
Give
there's a
the
chance
more
that
than the
they
more.
get it, so that there's a chance to flip the coin.
There's a different way.
They also
You got one. Okay.
They give it to
And now you need me.
nobody.
No, I knew what I did. Why did I? Look, guys, think of previous. I thought it was my friend.
Oh, right here.
You can do it underneath.
Alright. C's. Sorry. C's.
Finally. I'm going to stay with the fence one.
Okay. The question. Alright. This is gonna take.
I erased it.
Michaela knows not to. Alright. The question is, what are the earnings if the salesperson sells 30 products? 30 products.
Wait, what was the
What's
question?
the product?
What was the question?
What are the earnings if the salesperson sells 30 products?
34. 350. 350.
Alright. Keep or give?
Keep it.
Can I pick?
That'd be really unfair. You just-
Giovanni?
Mr.
Goldfish.
Just
Just
take that idea, like, use it.
We literally said, pick a different one, no one's worried, bro. How can you see a folded white paper?
Don't talk about it. A loser, lame-o,
Yes, we are, it's fine.
Red card, red card.
If you were a male, you would be
I was sitting here and she told me. No, I was a total accident. I promise. I like promise.
Flipping north.
Alright. The next question is going to be, what is the relationship of the slope? How can you interpret the slope?
Still C. Still C.
Oh, wow.
One!
One.
Wait, what letter is it?
Just hit 40. Interpret the slope.
237.
It's $40 for every product here.
Oh.
Yeah, for every sale.
Wait, we have to talk about
In this case,
Oh,
$5 per product sold.
Wait,
Each or give.
try to
Come on, Jared.
How some of my gum?
Wait, is it?
So it's really, there's no reason that you should be out.
I threw away my gum. How was that not?
What was it?
One.
They got now. Good job.
Okay. Alright, now you guys should be working on number 5. So you ready? Do number 5.
I know, I'm supposed to get over the red card, but